Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting inside Keynote with your presentation open. First, make a duplicate to avoid accidental layout loss. File Duplicate. Once done, choose the document by clicking outside any slide or open the document sidebar. This ensures you edit master size settings rather than individual slide content. Then open Document Settings and locate slide size. You're taking these steps to change the whole deck consistently, so make sure to confirm you're editing the document properties and not a single slide. Now you adjust the actual dimensions. In the document sidebar, open slide size and pick custom size, enter your target width and height, use pixels for screens, inches for print. Next, choose how Keynote applies the change. Fit keeps objects positioned and may add gaps, while Scale resizes everything proportionally. If you have complex layers, prefer Fit and manually tweak objects afterwards. Take a moment to preview several slides after applying the change, so you can spot misaligned images or crop text before finalizing. Finish by inspecting slides and editing master slides where repeated elements live. Use Format Edit Master Slides to correct headers or footers. Make precise tweaks to text boxes and images. Nudge items with arrow keys and lock positions if needed. If charts or images are cropped, resize their frames or reset image fill. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicate copy you made, then retry the size change with the opposite fit or scale option. One troubleshooting tip: export a single slide as PDF to confirm final output before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.